undergraduates, graduates, and PhD students. Welcome to a unique learning journey at the University of Bucharest with our AID-STEAM BIP course, AI and STEAM, Changing Learning, Shaping Future. Welcome into the world of AI and STEAM through our interactive workshops, seminars, and labs. You'll experience the power of cutting-edge AI technology while learning about various STEAM subjects that will challenge and enhance your creative and critical thinking. Our course is more than just academics. You'll enjoy cultural evenings, film screenings, and thought-provoking discussions, all designed to broaden your understanding of AI technology and its impact on society. Get a real-world perspective with visits to top tech companies and research labs, where you'll see AI in action and learn from industry leaders about the latest trends and practices. From February 3rd to March 31st, 2025, this blended course combines in-person sessions in the historical and vibrant cities of Bucharest, Buzău, and Focșani, with interactive online learning, all set to deliver a comprehensive 170-hour learning experience over 8 weeks. With a curriculum that spans social science, humanities, computer science, IT, and natural sciences, you'll be learning from and with the best. Our faculty includes experts from the University of Bucharest and other top universities across the world, including South Africa and Cyprus. Join us for an enriching experience that blends knowledge, culture, and real-world insights. We're excited to welcome you to our AID-STEAM BIP course at the University of Bucharest. Let's learn, explore, and create a better future together.